If you are watching this video, then definitely you are scared to start something, whether it is content, whether it is business, whether it is school, whatever it is. And I'm going to provide 3 things that you should know before you even think of starting any single thing. And then I will leave you to be the judge whether to start or not. But for as many of you that are just new to this channel, I'm Emmanuel, and I help people to get started with what they have and who they are. Provide you with tools, provide you with encouragement, provide you with the knowledge that you need based on my experience. So I'm not trying to be a guru, but I'm trying to be a guide. What has worked for me, I'm sharing out to the world to make sure that you also start whatever it is that you want to do. Now, with that being said and done, let's get right into today's video. Now, today's video is for those people who are scared to start. Those people who feel like they probably don't have what it takes to bring what they have in their mind to light. But before you even think of starting, hold up. I will share 3 things that you need to know. The very first one is that no one actually cares about you as much as you feel they do. The moment you know this, you know peace, because these thoughts can start breeding stress and overanalyzing and make you eventually stop or start what you are not supposed to do. Because some of you might start the wrong thing because of what you feel someone thinks about you. Some of you might not start the right thing because of what you feel someone thinks about you. So the moment you know that people are not actually thinking and do not care about what you do as much as you feel they do, then you know that I can do this thing or I can decide not to do it. So you should not be under any pressure to impress someone else. Whatever it is that you want to do, and you know within yourself and your conscience that what I want to do is right. Maybe this kind of content I want to put out is right. This kind of business I want to start up is right. Then do it as long as it's beneficial to people. That can help you instead of overthinking of what another person will think. Someone that has jobs, someone that has children, someone that has school stress to deal with. So do not overthink the process. Just start whatever it is that you want to do. Keep that momentum and you will most likely get to where you want to get to. That is the first thing you need to know. Now, the second thing you need to know as someone who wants to start whatever it is, whether a business, whether content, whether school, is that people will always talk. You see, everyone has a mouth and you cannot decide the amount of words that come out per minute. People can decide to talk whenever, you can decide to say whatever they want to say, and you can't do anything about it. And that is what you need to know, that people will always talk, whether positively or negatively. So before you decide to start, just know that people will always say things. You always get a negative feedback when you publish a video. You can publish a video and someone can disagree about it. That does not mean you should stop or what you're doing is bad. It just reveals the state of mind of that person at that time. Because once you get an opposing view, that means that person is not in the same level of thinking with you, or that person don't have the same level of exposure as you. Because we are all humans. 8 billion of us cannot be thinking in the same way. If we start thinking in the same way, then we are robots. So what you should know is that every single human being have their opinion to their self. And when they give you that opinion, it is your decision to take it or leave it. Some people are in the bad state. So what they say might not be actually what they mean. But because of the state of emotion they are in at that point, they might make some kind of comment. And you might feel bad and decide to stop what you are doing. Or make some kind of comment, and it might motivate you to do something that you originally don't want to do. So that is what you should know, that people will always talk. And finally, you should know that what you are doing might actually work. It might actually work out. Just think about it. When you start something, there is a possibility of what you are doing to work out. So what if you just carry on? What if you just push out? Because some of you might have an idea and be like, oh, this might not work, this might not work, oh, I don't have the resources to do this, so it might not yield results, it might not do this. How will you know if it will yield results when you've not started yet? So what you should know is that what you are doing might actually work out. Come on, it has the potential. You can't be doing every single thing wrong. You must be doing one thing right at least. And that has the potential of bringing what you are doing to light and making it work. So you should just know that what you are doing might actually work out. So if you know these 3 things as someone who wants to start a business, a YouTube channel, or content in general, you will know peace and you can now plainly decide whether to start or not. If you've watched this video up to this point, I'm fully sure that you will enjoy the video I made, how to get ahead of 90% of teenagers. Do well to watch that video. See you in the next video.